All right, let's give this a taste test. What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another awesome video. Today we're going to be making a banana bread. I have all my ingredients right here, and I will also be naming the ingredients that I'm going to be putting into this bowl, so it's easy and simple for you. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead with my sugar. Right here, I have a half a cup of sugar. And then right here, I have 1/3 of butter. Let's go ahead and get this butter out. Now, it's best to have your butter kind of at a room temperature, so it's easier for you to mix. All right, so let's get all that goodness butter in there. So let's go ahead and just mix this around. We kind of want to incorporate the butter and the sugar together. I love smelling butter and sugar. It just have this caramel smell to it. You just kind of want to incorporate them both together and break it down to come to like a smooth paste, kind of like. You see, so everything is kind of clumping together, which is exactly what we want to see. All right, now let's move along. I'm going to go ahead and add, now you could add anything you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm going to add the star of the dish, which is banana. Right here, I have 2 ripe banana mashed together. I'm going to go ahead and throw in
half a teaspoon of salt.
And then we're going to go in with our baking powder.
Half a teaspoon.
Then baking soda. We're going to use a 1/4 of baking soda. Let's go ahead and just mix this together. And at this point, let's go ahead and add our egg. Now right here we have 1 egg beaten. All right. Now we're going to go in with
Now we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
And let's not forget our nutmeg. We want to go in and add about 1/4 of nutmeg. All right, here comes our flour now. We have 2 cups of flour here. Now we're going to go ahead and add this in little by little to make sure that all our flour is incorporated properly. Now, don't forget, we also have 1 cup of milk here. Now, your choice could be milk or water. I choose to use milk. Now, when this start getting thick, you could also start adding your milk. All right, that's all our flour right there. Let's go ahead and mix this baby. Now we want to get it at a consistency where it's not overly thick and it's not runny, okay? Mine is a little thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so we add more milk because it's a little bit too thick and I want to get it at a consistency that I like. All right, still a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna just add the remaining of this milk. All right, so now it's at the right consistency that I want. You see that? Yes, that's the consistency that I want. Now you don't want to over rub too much, all right? So right here, I have my bowl that I'm going to be preheating my oven at 350 and leave it in there for about a good 35 to 40 minutes. Before I put it in my bowl, oh wait, we're forgetting one ingredient, some raisin. Now, this is totally optional. If you like raisin, go ahead and throw your raisin in there. If you're not a raisin fan, then you don't have to. I have a box of raisin here that I'm going to be adding in there. Guys, it is raining cats and dogs outside right now. Let's just go ahead and just give the raisin a mix so it just don't sip up at the top. You know what I mean? All right, so let's put this to the side. But before we put our mix in here, let's go ahead and give it a little spray. Because we want our cake to come out easy and not stuck to the bottom. Ooh. All right, so we gotten all our cake mix out. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven, as I mentioned before, at 350 for 45 minutes, all right? All right, my banana bread is finished. Well, not quite finished yet. Let's go ahead and check this baby to see if it's done. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm going to let this cool off. Then I come back, take it out of the dish. Take it out of the dish and then slice this baby up. All right, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the final look of my banana bread. Let's go ahead and slice into this baby because my mouth is running. When I say run, I mean to run water. So let's get it look at that. Lord, I can't wait to bite into it. It is moist and smells amazing. All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste test. All right, let's give this a taste test. I don't like this at all. I love it. Yo, this is amazing. It is still a little bit hot. I should have waited until it's cooled down a little bit more. But me, I tell you, I couldn't wait. The way inside of my house was smelling, I could not wait to cut into this cake. This is amazing. Well done. Very moist. And it just overall have the taste, the banana right through it. Oh God. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys. Bye.